So we are having two methods to open a file. So the first method is using open function and the second method is using with statement. So by using this open function, we have seen many examples regarding this on the previous examples. So see here, in these examples we have used open function to write the name of the file, and for copying the link also we have been used this open function. So this is your first method. And another method is by using the with statement. Okay, so let me teach you these two methods in practical part. So I'm going to open this Python interactive mode, and I have saved my file name as filedemo.py. So whenever we are going to save the Python files, you should save it with the extension .py in it. Okay, so now we'll see the first method. First create the file handle. Just write open function. Under the open function, I am going to write my file. The name of the file is myfile.txt. Then comma, just write wmode. So if you want to read the file which you have already created, then you should use R mode. So now I'm going to create a new file. Okay, I'm going to write the content into the file myfile.txt. So just I'm writing this w mode. Okay, what this w mode will do? If the file is already existed, it will overwrite the file. If it is not existed, it will create a new file. Okay, then after that just I'm going to write file.write. So you should use this write function to write any data inside that file. So I'm writing welcome to file handling. Okay, whenever the file has been opened, after writing the file, you should close the file. So it is our duty, programmer's duty, to close the file. Okay, if it does not close the file, then the program will not be these statements will not be written onto the files properly. Okay, so now we'll go and check, execute this file now. This demo, open this file, open, and after opening, just click on to all files or text files. All files means it's a combination of Python and text files. So we are looking for text files alone. So for easier identification, click on to the text files and see the name of the file you have created, which is myfile.txt. So it has been saved in my file. So open this my file. So after opening this my file, so it is the thing which is showing here. So the cursor is blinking on the start. So it means that if the file has been already created, so it will overwrite that. For that purpose of overwriting only, the cursor is at the starting of the file. Okay, so welcome to file handling will get overwritten. Okay, if you are trying to write any other thing, okay, just wait, let me show you that demo also. So just I'm closing it now. Now I'm going to write welcome to text file handling. Just I'm updating this here. Before it has been written welcome to file handling alone. Now I'm updating it with text file handling. So this write mode, what it will do? It will overwrite the existing content. Just execute this file now. So open from here. Okay, open and click on to text files. Just see my file. It is showing like this. Welcome to text file handling. Okay, again the cursor is at the starting of the file. It means that whenever we are using the write mode, then the cursor is there on the beginning of the file. The file pointer is at the beginning of the file to overwrite the file again and again. Okay, hope you all understand this concept. Okay, and then by using with statement, it's a very handy statement when you have two related operations which you would like to execute as a pair with a block of code in between. So by using this with statement, the close function is not required. So in with statement itself, it's automatically reclose the opened file. The syntax for this with statement is with open the file name, comma, file mode as file handle, and you should keep this colon here. Okay, after that you can write whatever the statements we needed. Okay, example, and we are having the benefits of using this with statement. So the benefits are, it automatically closes the file after the nested block of code. So whenever we are working with the try and except blocks, okay, try and except blocks, that is called as a nested block of a code, so it will automatically close the file. And it also handles all the exceptions also occur before the end of the block. So this statement, with statement is used to handle all the exceptions before the end of the block. So let me show that also in the practical part. So by using with statement, we'll write one program under this. Just write with open and write the file name. I'm using the same file, my file dot text. Okay, my file dot text, comma, I'm going to read this file now. So just I'm going to use this read mode as f. Okay, then you can write f dot read. So for reading purpose, we should use this function as read. Okay, f dot read. Just give here as a data. Data is equal to f dot read, and we are going to print that data. So here no need of closing the file, just I'm executing this file. So in whatever the statement we have already written in the file, it will be delivered in here in the Python shell mode. So we have already written a file called text my file.text, right? So under that we have already written my welcome to text file handling. So that is showing up here. So as because we are using the read mode. Okay, so now I will take this read mode and I will show how it works. So the read mode is your default mode. If you have not mentioned it, then it will read it by default. See here, it has been read again. Okay, just I will show you how to write by using the with statement. Just put the comma and write W as a write mode. Take out this and write f dot write. Under this write function, you can write anything. Okay, welcome to checkbox 247. Okay, just enclose it with a string. No need of closing the file. So this with open will automatically close the file. Just I'm executing the statement. So now we'll open the file and see whether it has been overwritten or not. So already we are having my file.text. We are having the text as welcome to text file handling. So now it has been overwritten as welcome to checkbox 247. Text means my file.text, right? So now it is showing welcome to checkbox 247. Okay, hope you understand the concept. So let me show you how to paste it from the file path. Okay, for that I am going to open the file which is located on my desktop file. So this is my desktop file. I am opening this. So in this desktop file, I have written here it as file handling. File handling is interesting topic. interesting topic to learn. Okay, so just I'm going to save this file and close it. Again, click onto the properties and copy the link of the file. Okay, just click onto the properties and I'm going to copy this file path. So just Ctrl C, copy the path name. So now I'm opening this file. Okay, open this, just write. Using the path name, instead of writing my file.txt, I'm deleting this. Just paste the path here. After pasting the path, you should mention what is the name of the file. So what is the name of the file which is present on the desktop? So let us see the desktop files. So the desktop files are text file demo.txt. So I'm going to open this text file demo.txt. Now we are going to read that file. For that I'm going to use the read mode. Okay, just take it out. Data is equal to f.read. So the read function is called, and after that print data. Okay, so what I have used, so whenever I'm using the single backslashes, you should use the raw string. Okay, so raw string, how to place the raw string? Just write R. Okay, just place the R before the string. So this is your string. When whichever is covered with the double quotation marks or single quotation marks is called as a string here. So before the string, you should place this raw string. Okay, raw data or a raw string to escape this escape sequence. So let me execute this file now. Program. So after executing the program, so the statements which have been already written and the file has been displayed here. So the statement which we have wrote is file handling is interesting topic to learn. So we have copied the path from the desktop file, and to escape this escape sequence we have used this raw string. So this is one method. Okay, and another method to escape this backslashes is just use the double backslashes on all the single slashes. Okay, just on writing, putting all the backslashes into two backslashes. So what it will do, so it will nullify the backslashes, escape sequences. To escape this escape sequences, we are using this double backslashes. So again I am trying to execute this. So it is delivering the same thing. So these are the two types to open, the two types of methods to open a file, by using the with statement and by using the open function and by using the link and by using the file name to open and read it, or else you can write it onto the file. So hope you all understand the video clearly.